The union is requesting a new bonus scheme. New line. Recruitment for the new position is being done in-house. New line. The auditor found several problems in the balance sheet. New line. The sales results from the first quarter are not very promising. New line. New line. The new trainee has developed a reputation for being very thorough. New line. The company website provided a live broadcast of President's speech. The company website provided a live broadcast of the President's speech. New line. In the long term, return on the investment in blue chip stocks was phenomenal. New line. Avoiding the high brokerage fee is one advantage to investing through the internet. New line. New line.